माधवी आ गया हो, माधवी आ गया हो। माधवी के लिए सब लोग ताली बजाओ भाई।
That was Home Minister Amit Shah rallying support for Madhvi Lata, one of the hundreds of BJP candidates in the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. But why is BJP throwing weight behind a candidate who was not even in the public eye just a few months back? Well, because she is taking on Asaduddin Owaisi, the president of All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin or AIMIM. Owaisi has held the Hyderabad Lok Sabha seat since 2004 and the constituency was with his father Sultan Salahuddin Owaisi for 20 years before that. So who is Madhvi Lata and why has BJP fielded a political novice like her against a political heavyweight like Owaisi? Let's find out in this episode of KYC, Know Your Candidate, Hindustan Times election show where we pick out some of the most interesting candidates out of the thousands contesting the Lok Sabha polls. Today we are talking about Kompella Madhvi Lata, a cultural activist turned politician who rose to national prominence after BJP announced her candidature from Hyderabad. The 49-year-old is a Bharatnatyam dancer and was a National Cadet Corps member during her student days. She has other skills as well.
I'm an NCC cadet, I was a best athlete, I was .5 rifle shooter. I'm a dancer, I paint.
Madhvi Lata holds a bachelor's degree in public administration from Nizam College and completed her master's in political science from Osmania University. She was reportedly the face of BJP's campaign against triple talaq in Hyderabad, where Muslims are in a majority. As per the 2011 census, Muslims comprise roughly 65% of the population of Old City Hyderabad, which comes under Owaisi's constituency. Besides triple talaq, Madhvi Lata claims to have continuously helped the Muslim community in Hyderabad on other issues as well.
I'm the first person who has donated fund for triple talaq women who have been hit by triple talaq. I have been working with Muslim NGOs constantly, and for the last 8 years I have adopted in a very indirect way and helped madrasas to get food, blankets, medical camps.
Madhvi Lata has also reportedly worked to restore several Hindu temples in Hyderabad. This was her reaction when she found out that she would be contesting against Owaisi.
ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे धर्मो रक्षते रक्षते हार.
But Madhvi Lata has also been accused of trying to use religion to polarize voters. Her critics recently accused her of gesturing to shoot an imaginary arrow towards a mosque. Madhvi Lata claimed that the video was manipulated, but it was enough for Owaisi to mount a scathing attack on his opponent and BJP.
For the Dhanush that didn't exist, for the Tir that didn't exist, and for the reaction of Tir coming out, which wasn't there, and they made a false video of mine of a celebration, heading towards panning the mobile phone towards a mosque.
स्ट्रक्चर के सामने आरएसएस और बीजेपी वाले इस तरह का एक्शन करते, आप हैदराबाद को अमन को खराब करना चाहते हैं और हैदराबाद और तेलंगाना की आवाम इनके इस हरकत को देख चुकी है कि ये लोग इनके इंटेंशन क्या है, ये क्या फ्यूचर लाना चाहते हैं हैदराबाद और तेलंगाना में.
Madhvi Lata also claims that it's actually Owaisi who has kept Muslims of Hyderabad deprived of even basic necessities, as she went on to compare Hyderabad to Somalia.
If somebody is owning as an elected representative in democracy a constituency for 40 years, imagine what it should have been by today. We all expect it to be somewhere as #1 constituency in the entire country. But today we see the plight of it as one of the worst constituencies. Today, Old City constituency has nothing. If you want to take about the hygiene, no. Road sanitation, no. Education, no. Health, no. Poverty, yes. Child labor, yes. Early child marriages, yes. N number of kids with no facilities, yes. Destitute old people, yes. Demolitions, yes. Kabja, yes. Land grabbings, yes. Now you tell me, did he leave anything, anywhere? No education, no higher education. Nutrition is pathetic. Now you tell me, he has left entire big chart that I think some Somalia should really develop that place.
Interestingly, Owaisi and his party have often been dubbed as BJP's B team by other opposition parties. Owaisi has been accused of splitting Muslim votes, which would otherwise go to BJP's opponents. Will Madhvi Lata's candidature help BJP fight that narrative? Her name was announced in the very first list of 195 candidates released by BJP on March 2nd. She is also BJP's first woman candidate from Hyderabad. Hyderabad will vote on May 13th and the results will be announced on June 4th. In the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the difference between Owaisi and BJP's votes was nearly 3 lakh. Madhvi's campaign has also been compared to Smriti Irani's battle against Rahul Gandhi in Amethi, which was once known as the stronghold of the Gandhis. The BJP leader had given a tough fight to Rahul Gandhi in 2014 and eventually managed to wrest Amethi from him in the 2019 rematch. However, Madhvi Lata claims she is on her way to create history in her very first attempt.
लास्ट टाइम 3 लाख से ओवैसी जी जीते थे, इस बार
1 लाख से हार जाएंगे।
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आपको?
मैं इतिहास बनाने आई हूँ स्मिता जी, बनाकर ही रहूंगी।